वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो आज हम आ गए हैं दल्टन फार्म में। यहाँ पर बहुत ही बड़ा सनफ्लावर का फील्ड है एंड दे आल्सो हैव लाइक पम्पकिन हंट एंड ऑल ऑफ द डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ हियर। सो इफ़ यू वांट कम, अगर वीकेंड में आप आना चाहते हो तो उसकी प्राइस है $25। अगर आप यहाँ से परचेस करो तो, अगर आप ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन परचेस करके आओ तो इट विल बी $17.95। और ये बहुत ही अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ है बच्चों के लिए और एडल्ट के लिए भी। I'll show you as we go through. Let's go inside and check out the sunflower field and the pumpkin hunt and all the other activities that they have. So yep, let's go. Here is the entrance. If you have your QR code already purchased online, then you can just go directly. And as you can see in the background, there is a really cute decoration of the pumpkin and all. So yeah, we are gonna go inside and show you more. So as you enter, as you can see, they have good pumpkin decoration, and they also have this bag tags and all customized, and then more like customized stuff here. And then we are gonna go to sunflower, but before that, this is the pumpkin town. And they definitely have decorated this so well. So we're gonna, yeah, and that's Dhanvi and Milan. Hi. So as you saw in the glimpse, that was a pumpkin town. It's really pretty. The way they decorated is really amazing. And now I'm gonna show you, there is a line for the tractor. So they, I think, just take you throughout the farm. So yeah, so I think we're probably gonna go in the tractor first and then see how's the experience. So yeah, so far it's really good. I think $17 is worth it. But yeah, I wouldn't buy a ticket for $25 at here when I know that okay, they are selling the tickets at $17. And this is the tractor, as you can see. This is the sunflower field. Usually it's like full of sunflower. I'll show you a closer look of it. Yeah, here is the sunflower. तो यहाँ पे सनफ्लावर फील्ड के बीच में वी हैव लाइक दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्विंग, जहाँ पे आप पिक्चर्स भी बहुत ही क्यूट क्लिक करवा सकते हो. इट्स नाइस एनवायरनमेंट. ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग मोर सनफ्लावर्स बट इट्स फाइन. We have picked a few flowers that we could find. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's so pretty. So many beautiful flowers. It's lots colors like red, pink. So beautiful. But of course, come in the beginning of the season so you can see the more flowers. अभी क्या हुआ है कि सभी लोगों ने flowers already pick कर दिए हैं, so you don't have that much of option. So yeah, but it's nice. It's still a nice weather, so we are enjoying for sure. This is the sunflower field. We have this. So यहाँ पे kids can ride the bicycles, and then if you see upstairs, there is a slide, which is also a fun activity. So we're gonna try these first, and then we're gonna try the other thing. So yep, let's go. So here, Dhanvi is coming with her dada. Hi. Hey, Pawan, hi kar do. Okay, bye. So have this kids play area जहाँ पे ऐसे बच्चे JCB मशीन और सबके साथ प्ले कर सकते हैं. There are different toys and all here. So yeah, Dhanvi is playing. Dhanvi. Tractor made out of the glass. So here we are entering. It's called the Shoemaker's Grove. It looks like there are a lot of pumpkins in there, but I don't know exactly what it is. So we're gonna go and check out कि यहाँ पर क्या है. I mean, I should have checked the map, but still. Let's go. A lot of pumpkins, and then there is a whole truck full of pumpkins. A lot of pumpkins down here. We also have this big chair where you can sit and take a picture. It looks nice. Kids play area where just kids can have slides and all of the things. And then we is coming. So this is a more play area for children. And then here is the full view of the play area. There. Taking our tractor ride finally. So I think ये हमको पूरा फार्म दिखाएगा यहाँ से. So we're gonna see and so everything. Bye bye. અહીં છે પાપાને બાકી દો. ઉભા રહો. અહીં ઉભા રહેવાનું. તો બેસું છે ઊભું રહેવું. બેસું છે? Okay, બેસ. And then as we saw you, we have kids play area this side. और यहाँ पर है वो hens और farming और वो chicken and all. हाइट लेते यहाँ पर रुक गए हैं. So as you can see, this is a Mavi ice. अभी तो बहुत ही cold weather है, so we cannot try. But there is shaved ice flavors, and there are so many. So if you want to try, you can try that from here. Then there is House of Cupcakes. यहाँ पर भी बहुत ही अच्छी cupcakes की flavor आपको available है. So you can try that as well. And then there are more food trucks. So this one is called Fry. This one looks good. Fries menu, and there are good options. Wow, there is cheese fries, cheese chili fries, and yeah, all the other options. The next is the lemonade stand. So this one is like a wood-fired pizza. They also have this taco stand. And let me see the menu. I'm sure taco में भी आपको कुछ अच्छा option मिल ही जाएगा. That one is really good. So yeah, they have this taco, and then they also have this fruit salad, acai bowl and all. अगर आप थोड़े health conscious है तो this is one of the good option you can definitely try. Then so they have this chicken finger, taco salad and all. So yeah, they also have French fries, rice bowl and all. that you can try. More food trucks. So this one is Italian line. I think this one had pizza and all. I think this one has all kind of food, but this is Italian market and catering. Hot tea, cup water and all. Then there is more shaved water ice. This is a place where you can sit and eat your food. There is vending machine and all the stuff over there as well. So yep. And here they have lake. Yep. So here is the lake. Actually आप lake पर भी जा सकते हो and you can take this boat rides. Yep. That's the lake. Such a beautiful view for sure. हम हमारी ट्रैक्टर राइड कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले हम खरीदने वाले हैं फ्राइज़ जो हमने पहले देखी थी, द चीज़ चिली फ्राइज़। अगर आप यहाँ पे आना चाहते हो तो डेफिनेटली कम, बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है। इट्स लाइक अ वन डे पिकनिक काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, जहाँ पे आपको खाने की और वो सभी चीज़ें मिल जाएगी। और मोर देन दैट बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है एज एन एडल्ट और एज अ किड्स आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो। तो हम फ्राइज़ तो नहीं ले पाए क्योंकि बहुत भीड़ थी, लेकिन हमने ये कपकेक ली है ट्राई करने के लिए। सो धनवी इज गोना ट्राई। क्या विच धनवी? नाइस, डू यू लाइक इट? And here is the exit. If you want to purchase, you can purchase this little pumpkins, the big pumpkins, and then there is a jam and all of it. If you want to get, so this is the salsa sauce also. So yeah, if you want to buy, you can get that. And then there is a festival of tulip as well, which is coming in April. So if you want to come, you can also come in April for the tulip festival. And this shop sells like a magnet and then the stacks and all if you want to get it. Yep.